This could be elevator B3 at the... Does this one work? Yep. Whoa. Alright. Basement. This is 3. It's Burrard elevator B3. Obviously a 50s installation. This is a service elevator. I really shouldn't be on it, but it's vintage. It's in a public area, so worst they can say is where the main one is. Wow. Let's go up to, I think, 5 or 4. Oh wow, I love that bell. Whoa. Oh. Oh, going up? I'm just enjoying this vintage elevator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Whoa. I'll let you out here. Alright, this is the highest I can go. Definitely an epic find. So Otis. Let's get a view of these beautiful Otis Bakelite Black Button fixtures. Definitely very nice. Whoa, that was a hard stop. Is it gonna classic level? Nope. These are your interlocks. Very old Otis interlocks. Go to 4. Whoa. Hard start. I'm gonna get off at 3. It's gonna open. Nice leveling. Otisito. Yeah, this is the right floor. No, it doesn't ding. There it goes. That's it.